Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best HID headlight bulb that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the Philips Xenon Standard. Philips is arguably the most well-known brand when it comes to HID headlights. In fact, Philips is the inventor of Xenon HID technology, and various automakers use the company's HIDs as standard equipment on their vehicle. That's also a reason why Philips Xenon standard bulbs are one of the most popular available on the market. Each Philips Xenon standard HID headlight bulb comes with an original equipment quality seal for the most reliable performance and is DOT compliant. The company offers its replacement bulb in a variety of fitments, so it's almost guaranteed there's a product that fits your car. Second up is the Xenon Pro Xenon HID headlights. For its combination of premium features and an affordable price tag, Xenon Pro's Xenon HID headlight conversion kit is hands down one of the best on the market. Xenon Pro's HID bulbs are rated up to 8,000 lumens of output per pair, making them as much as 2.5 times brighter than factory halogen bulbs. That's more than enough to adequately illuminate the road in the dead of night, and an advanced patented anti-glare technology helps avoid blinding oncoming traffic. Even more impressive, they're good for up to 15,000 hours of use, giving them around 3 times the longevity of a standard pair of halogens. Third in line is the SYLVANIA HID headlight bulb. Another popular brand within the automotive lighting industry is SYLVANIA. There's a good chance you have come across SYLVANIA headlight bulbs in the aisles of your local auto parts store, so it's little surprise its HID bulbs are also one of the best. SYLVANIA is the North American operation of Osram, a lighting manufacturer headquartered in Germany. If you purchase a SYLVANIA bulb, there's a possibility it will be an Osram product in SYLVANIA packaging. Keep in mind that headlight regulations in Europe are different than the US, so if you're purchasing a replacement, make sure you get one that's legal for your country. Certain automakers use Osram HID headlight bulbs straight from the factory, so if you're having a tough time looking for an Osram replacement in the US, check for SYLVANIA instead. Fourth up is the HID Warehouse. Likely the most affordable HID replacement bulbs out on the market, HID Warehouse specializes in HID bulbs and conversion kits for a wide range of makes and models of vehicles. The company offers replacement bulbs in pairs for various applications and colors depending on the temperature you want, including 3000K, 5000K, 6000K, 8000K, 10,000K, ruby pink, midnight purple, and deep blue. Again, check with your state's official laws before choosing a bulb that's brighter than 5000K. HID Warehouse also offers a 2-year warranty with its products, so despite its low price, you're getting a bit of a guarantee with live tech support based in the US. Lastly, fifth up is the Cougar Motor HID replacement bulbs. Another affordable and popular option comes from Cougar Motor, with its HID bulbs available in various sizes and colors, although the company doesn't offer as much of a variety as Kenson and HID Warehouse. Buyers can choose from 4300K, 5000K, 6000K, and 8000K color temperatures for 35-watt bulbs. Cougar Motor says each bulb is laser aligned to the base during the manufacturing process, ensuring a tight beam pattern. The blend of xenon gas is also measured to the proper color temperature and is said to not fade over time. The bulbs have a projected lifespan of 3,000 hours, offer up to 7,600 lumens per pair, are IP67 waterproof, and come with a 2-year warranty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.